Hey guys, what's up? Just got a box in delivered, and if I'm correct, this is the Blink XT2 cameras. I ordered the 5 camera system from Amazon. I think that's what's in this box. It was expected for delivery today, so hopefully that's what it is. And thank you guys for watching my first video about the F570. What we unboxing and thinking about today is the Blink XT2 5 camera system. Now, these are Amazon's cameras. They was bought by Amazon, this company. It was like wildly popular. And they also have an XT1 model, but the XT1 model, the only difference is really between these two, the XT1s and the XT2s, is that this has like walkie-talkie, where you like two-way talking, so you can hear people and talk back to them with your smartphone. So also, it's supposedly no monthly fees. See, I got Nest Cam, we got monthly fees. You know, I have Arlo, we didn't set it up because it got monthly fees. This says that it's supposed to have 2-year battery life, and I guess that's depending on where you put it. So think about it. If you're in a place like, I'm in the city, close in the New York area, and it's a busy parking lot right outside my house. So pointing outside is gonna have a lot of action, a lot of camera, and everything stores to the cloud. You can't store anything at home, unfortunately, but it stores to the cloud and it's free with Amazon, so it's not nothing you have to pay for, no service fees, which is awesome. That is definitely a key selling point. So it had a high rating on Amazon. That's what made me pick it. Like, once I seen it, I didn't buy it right away, but I wanted to buy it because it was in the back of my mind that it was so many good ratings that I had to buy it. So, all right, it says, be alerted to what matters with easy installation and 2-year battery life. Monitor your home with HD video day or night and respond with your smartphone using two-way audio. The reason why I went with these is because there is 2 years battery life boasting. So even if it gets halfway there, that's good, right? And it got the two-way audio day and night. They waterproof, indoor, outdoor, wireless free. Now, there is some type of delay when you get a notification on your cell phone, your smartphone, tablet, whatever the device. This works with Alexa. So anything really wireless, you're gonna have some sort of delay when it gives you the notification. But when it does notify you, you could press the button and see it live time. At least that's how it works. So let's look at this like this. See how this is coming out? Let me just bring this right here so you guys can see it really good. Boom. We got 5 Blink camera system. Quick start guide. Right there in the top. This is the side of the box. Easy self-install means you can place and mount your wire-free Blink cameras around your home, both inside and out. Now that's something I need. When I get any packages, I need a camera on the outside. You know, I'm gonna place these strategically around the house to protect my home. You know, also have a security system, but you will never know really what's going outside your home, you know, unless you check on it. So the security system, they gotta break in to actually set that off. But with this, I will be notified in case someone's like around the house scoping it out. We have a quick start guide. The Blink XT2s. Like I said, these are like one of the most popular cameras, if not the most popular camera. So you got quick start guide. It tells you here, or immediately lets you know, thank you for purchasing. It appreciates you. You know, you got your QR code right here. Quick start guide, right? Thank you for purchasing. Again, they want to make sure you know that they thankful for that. So this looks like a sticker, bumper sticker. No, door sticker you stick on your door glass. It lets them know you got Blink security. Okay, so This right here is the little info thing, the data thing. This sends the data. It gives the cameras all its settings and stuff like that, and it links all of the cameras together. Wi-Fi, you're supposed to hook it up Wi-Fi. Sit it right next to your Wi-Fi box. Should be good to go, right? Then, so that's key. Now, I heard it would be better if I would have had bought a 3-camera system and a 2-camera system. I would have had gotten 2 of these, which means I would have been able to schedule, even though one of these can hold up to 10 cameras, I would have gotten 2 of these because you could schedule it, but you could only make one schedule. So if that makes sense, one schedule. So if I wanted to schedule it, hey, I'm home at 6 or whatever, cut the cameras off for 2 or 3 hours, and then cut them back on, all of them would cut off. But if I only wanted the front porch one to go off and then come back on, I couldn't do that unless I had 2 of these things. So that's something to consider when you're buying them. Okay, you got a USB port here on the side, LED indicator for the power right there, LED indicator for the Wi-Fi. Got the Blink badge and right there, Blink logo. Shows you the model number and everything on the back. That's about it. It got a mini USB charger. That's about it for that. So what else is in this box, right? Okay, you see a nice little charger. So it's gonna be USB to USB, it looks like. Mini USB to regular USB 2.0. That's probably the cable that's in here. Correct. Yes, that's what it is. Just hook that up nice and easy, right to the back of there. Boom. See, it plugs in there. Then you just go like this here. Plug this in here, line it up. And now you're all plugged up. That's how you put power to this. Of course, I think the rest of the connection is digital. Okay, so now let's get to the Blink XT2 cams. Okay, so they small, they compact, nice size. This is how it comes. It says slide latch down to lift cover off from the bottom. Okay, so slide the latch down once you connect it. That's just the instructions for once you connect it. Now, let me show you the base, because I could show you all 5 of these cameras, but they all gonna be the same. Right here, they got this base, and it's like a mount, like a mount that you can move, like, you know, point, an angle mount, let's call it that, right? So they give you this angle mount, and then they give you another, look like this. It's like a base to it. So this looks like it goes like this, you see? It's like some type of locking thing here. You can feel it, yeah. Right here, it's a little bit high groove. Do you see it? These little grooves here is where you put that onto there. So you just go like that, easy. Then you screw it in. That's your base. Then this snaps in that little round thing like this in here. So you just push that in there. So I don't know if it's on or if I should do it. I'm gonna wait because I think I'm supposed to do it once I mount it, because there might be something else I need to do to this. So here's the batteries that come with it. I don't know how many batteries is in here, but it looks like these are 2 batteries, extra batteries. That's cool. I got rechargeables and they last forever. So let's go with my battery recharger. I got rechargeables to replace those with. Okay, so yes, luckily every camera has a base and batteries and screws, guys. So we're gonna set these bad boys out. Okay, so this is how it looks. Everyone has a base, everyone has screws. I'm gonna set them up and do a full review, guys. Thanks for watching. It's PrintZebra. Till next time, peace.